Why I call you queen. Have you ever wondered why has she started calling me queen? Well, I want to share why I now call my ladies queens. The truth is, you are a queen. Yes, you are a queen. Yes, you are a queen. And did you know that a queen is more than just about thrones and jewels? Yes, you are a queen. A queen is a woman who have lived, carried her family, endured storms, and still rises with grace and love. A queen is wise because of her experiences, strong because she had no choice but to be, beautiful because her heart still gives and lives. So when I call you queen, I am honoring your life, your journey, your womanhood, your position in your family and in this world, and to a sisterhood that is waiting for you. Even the strongest, most independent woman thrives in a community. And that's why I created Beautiful Locks Club. It's a sacred space where we as queens can come together and take care of our sister locks and ourselves. To honor our crowns, strengthen our confidence, and walk in sisterhood. I've updated my website. I've transitioned Beautiful Locks Club to this platform. I've created a porosity quiz that will save you time, effort, money, heartache, and you will know exactly what products to choose for your hair. Your hair deserves the same royal treatment as you do, right? When you know your porosity, you stop guessing and start giving your sister locks the nourishment that it craves. So I celebrate you and I invite you to step deeper into your queendom. Claim your crown with confidence. This is your time, queen. This is your space. And this is just the beginning. I want you to know your crown is divine, your presence is powerful, your story is sacred and important. Community restores what life often buries: our femininity, our peace, and our confidence. And confidence is courage in action. Remember, even the strongest, most independent, most beautiful woman thrives in community. My favorite scripture for our queendom is Matthew chapter 10, verse 30. And remember, even the very hairs on your head are all numbered. That means God is watching over you and He knows everything about you and He cares for you. Queen, you are seen, you are loved, you are crowned. Welcome to our queendom. The link to join our queendom is right here on this page. Click it, enter our queendom, and we can't wait to welcome you into our family. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell